In Blender 5, there has been a big change to the way that assets are loaded into a scene from the asset library, and unfortunately, I think this is going to cause a lot of confusion. So if I just expand this panel and switch it to an asset browser, I'm just going to go to one of my libraries. In this case, it's going to be VisPack Products, which is a material library. And if I just select one of the materials, drag and drop it onto an item, and then switch to the shader editor, select this item, you'll see that everything is grayed out. And if I try to edit any of these values, I simply can't. And if I switch back to an asset browser, I can also demonstrate the same thing is happening with my Instant Lighting Kit Lite. If I drag and drop that into the scene, you'll see that the controlling empty doesn't get added. If I switch to the world settings, everything is grayed out and I can't make any changes. So what exactly is going on? Well, if I go to Edit, Preferences, and I look in the file paths, I can see that there's now an import method selection, and by default it's set to pack. What you need to do is to change it to append, and that is going to give you the old behavior. I have no idea why the Blender developers have decided to default this to pack, because it's going to cause mayhem with people's assets. So in my opinion, for every single asset that you add in a file path, you're going to need to change your import method to append. So with that done, let's create a new scene, switch back to an asset browser once again. Let's select VisPack Products. I just select a material and drag and drop it onto my mesh. Let's switch to the shader editor, select the material, and now you can see that once again, everything is editable. Same goes for the Instant Lighting Kit. If I go back to the asset browser and switch to that, if I drag and drop that into my scene, you can see that the controlling empty is now here. And if I go to the world settings tab, the settings are no longer grayed out. So when you upgrade to Blender 5, remember to go to your preferences, look in the file paths and change the import method for all of your assets to append.